is what you do cool?
I mean, I have the opportunity to build whatever anybody's imagination is within precise parameters. I've worked on stuff that is floating in outer space right now. I've worked on stuff that's on race car tracks. I've worked on stuff that's on Navy ships, helping defend our country.
How is what you do cool?
So I get to actually make things. It's a very hands-on approach to making sure we can produce parts. We design tooling, stamping dies, a lot of metal parts, and I get to actually design something that you can have in your hands and see, oh, I made this, and I helped make something else. Yeah, I think that's really cool. It's something I've been wanting to do for a long time.
What is cool about your business?
What's cool about here, just like a lot of manufacturing, you get to work with your hands. You're not stuck in an office all day. You get to go out on the shop floor. You get to build stuff. We actually get to build cool stuff like motorcycle parts, not just for Harley, but new customers, electric motorcycles, a wheelchair that actually raises you up to eye level, can go up and down. You can play basketball on it. It only goes to veterans. So you get all kinds of exciting stuff, but the biggest part for me is working with people, the team. One of our core values is teamwork. No one of us is smarter than the rest of us. My experience, anytime you have a team working together, looking at data like you can see around the room, come up with something way better than what any individual could have.